everyone, I went to Dollar Tree to look at the stuff they have for craft, and I found these really cute glass containers and really pretty glitter. So this pack has 6 color glitter, and I think they have 5, 6 different packs. And I also found this mini glass container which is adorable with a little cork, and I thought of putting them together and see how it looks. It looks very, very cute. So, opening the glass container, and with the glitter, be very careful because they are glued in the back. So, if you remove them, just be careful not to rip them apart. I'm gonna cut it on that little edge to pour it very easily. I'm just gonna cut it very, very small hole and pour it in. So I've noticed that the hole I cut was a little too small, so it was a little time consuming putting it in, but in the second one I already cut the hole a little bigger and it was much easier. But make sure you don't cut a hole too big because it will spill all over and you don't want it to go to waste, obviously. And make sure you have a surface underneath that's easy to clean in case you do get some spilled, because it is very, very sticky. But the colors are gorgeous. See, it is very sticky. So that's it. And we got 6 beautiful colors. So one pack only filled up half of the container. So if you want to fill it up, get 2 packs. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any dollar store craft idea, tips, hacks, let me know or send me the link. I would love to see them. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.